Hi guys, it's Michael here, Technical Director at Alfatron Electronics. We're here at InfoComm 2026 and we're here to show you our new AVoverIP devices. So over on my left here, we have 3 new devices. I'll start off with the controller, which is the AVX CNTRL. That controller is your master device that will allow your GUI interface into the network. The device will feature a control port and a AV network port. It will also allow you to do multi-view, video wall, and do your general standard matrixing and routing from the device. Then we have, as accompaniment to the system, 2 devices that are both transceivers. The first one is the AVX 200. This is just an input and an output standard HDMI device, and you can set the units to be either encoder or decoder mode, and that will run over a LAN 1 gig fiber network. The second unit in the system, also a transceiver device, is the AVX 100ND. This device, as you can see, has multiple USB and HDMI inputs, as well as featuring some peripheral USB devices, and again, HDMI outputs. So again, this is a transceiver device, and you'll set it to either encoder or decoder mode. It also features a 1 gig LAN copper connection, or then you can also use it in 10 gig fiber mode. In addition, the unit also features Dante audio as well as NDI video encoding and decoding, all in our new AVX AVoverIP system. If you want to join us, come see us here at InfoComm 2026 or visit us at our website at alfatronelectronics.com for more information.